How to archive Instagram story before 24 hours. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can archive Instagram story before 24 hours. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is of course, open up your Instagram. So after you open up your Instagram, make sure that you've uploaded a story. If you have not uploaded a story, you can simply upload it right now. As you can see, I've already uploaded a story. Now, normally what happens is that the story gets removed after 24 hours and the story that's removed will get saved in the archive. Now, if you want to just, save it to archive before the 24 hours, what you'll need to do is just open up your story and on the bottom right, you'll find an option called More. Tap on More. And after you tap on More, you'll see an option called Archive right under Delete Story. So all you have to do is tap on Archive. After you tap on Archive, you will notice that the story is now gone and it's basically on your archive. So you can check on your profile as well. You don't have the story anymore. Now tap on the three lines on the top right on your profile. And after you do that, you will then need to head over to Archive. Now under Story Archive, you'll notice the story that you just archived. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.